Okay, welcome to Fridays. What I want to do is go over that practice exam for the AP. That was 51 points. You guys got a 10 point bonus or curve. So your scores were emailed to you. Remember, all this goes on the fourth 9 weeks. And again, when your homework's assigned, you have to have it in that day it's supposed to be in. So for those who might have missed a cutoff or didn't do it, there is no makeup. Okay, I make that perfectly clear beginning, and just to let you know, all work is due the other day. The next day we have class. The next time we will meet next week will be Tuesday, Thursday. So what I want to do is go through some of the questions that were missed. So for those who are taking an AP exam, you can see which ones you miss and why you miss them. Now it's kind of hard since you can't ask questions. I'll just go through the problems and show you the answers, and then you can work them out a little bit later. Sam, you missed this one. That's why I put your name on the top. But here we have, assume that a two-dimensional array of string objects with 3 rows and 4 columns. So again, remember it starts 0, 0 in the corner. On the top will be 0, 1, or going down will be 0, 1, and 2, because there's 3 rows, and there's 4 columns, so that'll be 0 through 3 going across. Okay. Again, we know 0, 0 will be the 1, so right now it's these two in contentions. When we do two-dimensional arrays, it's bracket, bracket. We don't use one big bracket. So A is automatically out. And since this is 1, 1, it's automatically out. And this is 1, 1, it's automatically out. So right now your choices are between C and D. Okay. And again, if we're going for the corners, the answer will be D. Okay. 03, not 02. Okay. So that'd be row 0, column 3. We do not go to 4 because remember we start counting at 0. So D will be your answer for that one. Okay, the next one, again, we have a public class value. Okay, and the following method appears in the class of another other than value. It is intended to sum all the num instant variables of value. Okay, and the answer for this one was D. Okay, and if you see, here's the reason why that was D. Okay, so if you missed that one, go ahead and try it again and see why you missed that. Okay, another one that was missed. Again, this one is the correct answer will be D for this one. Again, we got quite a few to go over, so I'm not going to have time to go through each and every one and explain it, but the answer is D, and here's the reason why. Okay, the next one, let me get it up because it kind of got chopped off here. This one here, we have a book class, and again, this deals with super constructor. Super is always the very first line, so that leaves C out, and it has to be either D or E or B, and it also leaves A out because we want to call the class up above. Okay, so again, use the process of elimination. Your answer should have been D. Okay, next one here, the answer is C. And again, you can go ahead and trace through this one and redo it again to see if it gets C. Okay, and again, these are ones that you missed. I'm not going over the ones you guys got correct because I assume you know those. These are the ones that were missed by pretty much 2 or more. Okay, and this one here, the answer is D. To access elements of two-dimensional array nums, the first index is used for the row and the second index is used for the column. Okay, number 7. Again, the answer is E. And I'll just brief through these. Okay, the next one with this mess, the answer is D for this one, two-dimensional array. And again, you can see the two brackets here in front of strings, either in front of things or after things, but not before strings. So E is automatically eliminated. Okay, and if you remember, we also C is eliminated because that's not how you declare a two-dimensional array. Okay, so those two are obvious that they could be eliminated fast, C and E. So now you're left with A, B, and D. Again, process of elimination when you're doing these. Again, you have a public class thing, and the answer for this one is D. Okay. Okay, this one we have a public static int get value, as which of the following segments will appear in another method in the same class as get value. Print the value 70, and the answer is C. Here we have an array list, okay, and the answer is A. This is number 12, and again, go through these, see why you missed them, and I probably didn't put the answers here why, but the answer was A, but for some reason the answer did not copy. But you could read down below here why A was the answer. Okay, again, this was pretty much missed by 2 or more. Considering the following code segment, okay, go ahead and this one will be D. This is for a while loop. And number 14 is E. We have the answer is D. That's 1 and 3. (16), again, the answer is E. Okay, again, you got to replace the missing loop header and fill that in. Okay, 17, again, we deal with super again. Rectangle, square, the answer is B. And again, 18, the answer is D. Okay, I have released the scores to you. I don't know if you see which ones you missed or not. Again, these are some of the popular ones where 2 or more missed them. So again, look over these. These seem to be the common ones missed to prepare for your AP exam. Again, your AP exam will be taken at home. You can also apply for a refund. Follow the instructions on the AP site to get your money back if you want to do a refund, and or if you have to go through Mr. Kilcoyne. If you can't go through the website, he could probably help you with getting a refund back. And it's up to you whether you take the test or not. Okay. That's it for today's lesson. There is no homework over the weekend. Enjoy Saturday, Sunday, and actually Monday for my class. We will meet again on Tuesday. And again, all work assigned on Tuesday will be due for Thursday. So make sure you're keeping up with the class. Again, there is no falling behind in this class. If you do not turn an assignment in, it's automatically a 0 for the 4th 9 weeks for that assignment. Okay, so please try to keep up. Have a nice day.